Konfío, we provide small business loans in Mexico. And the reason why we do that is because there is no such concept as unsecured credit to businesses because the loan tickets are pretty large. And that, by definition, so far has required businesses to post collateral. And that has created a gap of 95% of all the small businesses in Mexico are basically funding with alternative means. So by using a lot of transactional data, we can underwrite, make a credit decision and then underwrite within 24 hours. I'm a computer science engineer. I went to school in Mexico, in Monterrey, and I got picked up for my internship at 21 for the U.S. government on a bilateral project on water quality with Mexico. And then as a consequence of that, I ended up working in the United States in business intelligence. Technology is an up-and-coming industry, and there's going to be a lot of new job creation around it. So the startup scene is starting to make a lot of waves. For example, venture capital was practically non-existent in the early 2000s. And then at the beginning of this decade, you had technology starting to take a more central role, and with the kickstart from the government, a lot of seed stage venture capital funds started to emerge, and as a consequence, a lot of startups started to appear. Now, when that happened, also the challenge became, how do you scale those startups, right? The gap from seed stage to a funded A-round startup is pretty large in Mexico. So today, we're the only company that has funded all the way to a Series C on the ones that are available in the ecosystem, and we're looking to continue to grow. But that has forced us to be very, very disciplined on how we use the proceeds of each round to make the technology and the products more robust and user-friendly, and how to always keep our customers in mind. A number of things are happening. So, as a company that grows so fast, you usually want to tune your processes and your organization as sooner rather than later. So we're always evaluating what are the best ways on which you can provide self-structure. It's not something that you can just simply fix with culture. It's something that you turn around and you have to establish some structure to allow everyone who is presently in the company and whoever arrives to succeed. We're estimating we're going to double our team of engineers over the next 12 months as well. So you have to have a position for them, for all those newcomers, to make an impact of all kinds, right? You have junior guys, you have senior guys, you have architects, you have executives. So all of that is going to require a lot of strategizing.